Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the common mistakes people make when they are going to a water park.
Going to a water park is a fun activity for people of all ages, but there are some things you should keep in mind to ensure you have a safety and enjoyable experience. Let's get started.
Mistake number 1, not bringing a camera. This is the most common one. One mistake people make when going to water park is not bringing a camera. Water parks offer great photo opportunities, and you want to capture those memories to look back on later. So don't forget to bring a waterproof camera or phone case to protect your device from the water. Besides photos, water park is also a great place for you to capture videos. Since you are taking photos with your phone anyway, might as well take lots of videos, right? So go out there and capture those fun memories with your family and friends. Now, if you're asking what camera is best to use, well, I thought you never asked. There are two main cameras we use all the time for our water park videos. We use GoPro 10 and Insta360. Talking about these two cameras can be another separate videos, but the main two things that I like about these two cameras are they are waterproof and they have great stabilization. So here's a few samples of our water park video taken on GoPro 10 and Insta360.
Thank you. Wow. There you go. Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, that's a really big one.
Wow. Wow, I like this.
Already feel good.
Yeah, I know.
Woo-hoo. Another one.
Whoa. Wow. I want to be front. I want to be the front. No, no. Ah, always in the back.
We don't know what's in the back.
Thank you. Good day.
Here we go.
If you're interested to get one of these awesome camera, I'll leave our affiliate link in the box description below.
Mistake number 2, not having waterproof pouch. Another mistake people make when going to water park is not having waterproof pouch. So do we really need it? I think so. Waterproof pouch is small waterproof bag that you can use to keep your phone, money and other valuables safe from water damage. You can easily attach it in your swimsuit or just carry it with you. So not having one can result in damaging your valuables and ruining your day. Most of the water parks has lockers for you. That's where you put all your important belongings. But if you have waterproof pouch, you can also put your credit card and your cash in it. So let's say you want to buy water in a quick bite. You don't need to go and walk all the way to your lockers. You can just simply get your money, your credit card from your waterproof pouch. This is the one that we like to use. We can put our iPhone, cash and credit card. If you're interested to get one of these, check out the product link in the box descriptions below.
Mistake number 3, not wearing proper swimwear. Yup, you heard that right. Listen friends, when you are going to water park, you are not going to the beach. It is true that you can relax and chill at water park, but you have to remember that water park also has lots of intense rides. And this is more for ladies. If you're wearing bikini, something very uncomfortable might happen to you, and you do not want that to happen. Even you can try to prevent that to happen, but you are not going to be very comfortable and enjoy your time at the water park. It is important to wear swimwear that is comfortable, fits well, and is appropriate for the activities you plan to do at the water park. Wearing loose-fitting clothes or non-swimwear items can cause discomfort and even pose a safety hazard. You can get amazing deal in Amazon for your swimming wear. William loves to have his lots of pockets so he can put his camera, GoPro and other stuff handy. I love mine, it's comfortable so that I can move easily and not to worry about other things. Listen, when it's summer, it can get really hot. So our tips to you is find something with bright color, for example white, because white color reflects heat. Black color is a big no-no, it absorbs heat. All of our swimwear link in the box description below.
Mistake number 4, not using sunscreen. Talking about heat, you do not want to get sunburn. This is specifically for outdoor water park. Very common mistakes, people just don't use sunscreen. When you are spending a day at a water park, especially outdoor water park, you're constantly exposed to the sun. And it is important to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. So make sure to apply sunscreen with a high SPF and reapply every hour to avoid getting sunburned. By the way guys, I love my backpack. This is an awesome backpack I always use. It can carry all my cameras, water bottles, sunscreen, towels and many more. It is not too big and not too small, perfect and can fit to any lockers at water parks. So check the link below if you are interested to get one of these.
Mistake number 5, not hydrating enough. It's easy to get caught up in the fun of the water park and forget to drink enough water. But it's important to stay hydrated, especially when you're spending time in the sun in the water park. Dehydration can lead to headaches, dizziness, and even heat stroke. So make sure to drink water regularly throughout the day.
Bonus point, this is mistake number 6, not following the rules. Water parks have rules for reasons. They are designed to keep you safe, keep me safe, and to ensure that everyone has fun experience. Not following the rules can not only put you in danger, but can put others at risk as well. So make sure to read and follow all the poster signs and rules, including height restrictions and any other guidelines.
So those are some common mistakes people make when they go to a water park. Remember to wear proper swimwear, use sunscreen, stay hydrated, follow the rules, and bring a camera to capture those fun moments.
Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please kindly like, share and consider to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, put your questions in the comment sections down below.
I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.